Okay, hello, Dr. Springer. I wanted to take a quick moment to tell you about Google Forms. And in addition to Google Forms, also I will be using a program called Flubaroo. So if you're familiar with Google Forms, it's really easy. It's basically just a quiz that you create on Google online. So I could like email all of my students a link class by class when they are ready to take this. I usually would have them do this in class so I can make sure that they're all on task and they're not, checking their book or anything. But for these purposes, I just wanted to show you how it works. So this is a very simple quiz that I just made up. Most of these questions are nonsense, but I want to show you how I can see this being a time saver for me. So we have some very tough questions here. I actually need to make this John Doe a second. Um, so let me just sort of answer these. Basically, what I'm hopefully going to show you is how I can use this program called Flubaroo to do all of my grading for me, which ideally will save me time that I can use towards building new and interesting lessons for my kids. So here, these tools, I only see them because I am a teacher. But what I can do is I can open up Google Forms and show you the different things I can do with this. So bear with me for one moment. So in Google Forms, it'll show me every quiz that I've made. So here I have this Google Forms and Flubaroo quiz. Um, And instead of taking the actual quiz, what I am going to do is I'm going to look at the responses, which have not been graded yet, and I am going to send them to a spreadsheet. And here you see that I have plugged in like five different, I've taken this quiz 5 times. So what I can do from here is I added on this program called Flubaroo, and it gives me the option to grade this assignment. So some of this stuff is pretty cool. Um, so what I can do here is I have all these different grading options. So I'm going to keep these all at 1 point, and I'm going to agree to that. And then I'm going to go to my quiz that I put in first because I know that I did this as a teacher. So this functions as my answer key. And then it goes ahead and it grades the whole thing for me. And everything should come out nice and organized. Grading's complete. So if I look here now, I can see that my class average was a 3.5 out of 5. Uh, and I can see on each and every question what my students answered. I think it's a little hard for me to navigate this while I have my screencast open. But at any rate, I could just go right down here and I have John Doe, Jane Doe, John Smith, John Doe the second. I have their total points. I have the percent on them. And then I can go through and I can check where they went wrong on all of their questions. So anyways, as far as little daily reading quizzes go, this saves paper, it saves time. It's something that I am excited about. Thank you.